Hi, I'm Kimball Parker, founder of Counsel. Let me tell you about the site. Most of the law is simple and logical. The problem is that bits and pieces of that logic are spread across millions of cases, statutes, and other documents. To understand the law, you need to sort through those documents and piece together the logic bit by bit. This makes the law difficult to find and understand. People don't have the time or training to piece together the logic of the law for themselves. Those who can afford an attorney pay hundreds of dollars an hour to understand their legal rights. Those less fortunate have few options. It's a serious social justice issue. Lawyers, professors, and law students are piecing together the law around the clock. In the aggregate, they've mapped the entirety of U.S. law countless times. But nobody has tried to gather this research in one place. All of that work mapping the law is sitting on thousands of different hard drives in law firms and law schools across the nation. This is where Counsel comes in. It's a crowdsourced platform that can weave that research into one coherent map of the law. It gives users direct access to the underlying logic. Let me highlight a few key features of the site. First, we've developed a column system that walks users through the law. Legal topics are listed on the left. When you click on a topic, the corresponding subtopics appear in the next column. Information on the topic appears to the right. The column system allows users to follow the logic of the law, to browse the supporting authority. To navigate back, click on a topic in the first column. Repeat until you've reached back far enough. Second, the content on the site is generated and monitored by legal professionals. It takes just a few seconds to add a case, upload a motion, or map a legal principle onto an area of law. Icons signal where you could contribute. If an important principle is missing, click Add New at the bottom of the applicable column to fill the gap. If you see a definition you don't like, suggest an edit or write an alternative definition. If a case is misplaced, flag it as inaccurate. Vote the best content up so it appears first, or just verify that the information on the site is correct. Third, the name of the contributor appears next to every contribution, and it links to the contributor's profile. Counsel is not anonymous like Wikipedia. By contributing, lawyers can put their name front and center when potential clients research a legal issue. Professors can establish themselves as thought leaders in their fields, and law students can show their competency to potential employers. Finally, the data in the column system is transferred to a map of the law. Here you can visually see how legal principles relate to one another. When you click on a principle, it takes you to the columns for more information. Everyone who contributes will help make the law more accessible. Legal research will be easier for lawyers, and the law will be simplified and understandable for millions of Americans. So join us in our effort to free the law.